What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be introducing the brand new build that's coming to this channel. I still have the Tacoma, so don't worry about that. But I do want to introduce the new build that we're going to be working on. It's a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport S. It is the two-door. What we're going to be doing today is I'm just going to give you guys a quick little walk around of how it looks, what it comes with, and what we're going to be doing to this exact Jeep. So let's just dive right into it. All right, so let's go ahead and just talk about what we're going to be doing to this actual build and what it comes with from the factory. So right here up front, the cool thing about the Sport S model, it does come with LED factory lights. So that's an awesome, cool feature. I don't have to go out and purchase LEDs. It already comes with it. For the front right here, I know the grille is pretty awesome what it comes with. It is considered, I guess, a JL for being a 2020. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but for the front, we're gonna probably be changing out this grille. We'll show you guys in the future when that day comes. For the front bumper, we may leave it stock for a good while. We may be changing out these fog lights for some diode dynamics coming up pretty soon, hopefully. And then we may be doing a couple other little things right here up front, so stay tuned for that. We did go with the color white because, as you guys know, my Tacoma is gray already, and we needed to change it up a little, and it looks good. All right, so let's walk around to the side now. So now that we're right here off to the side, looking at the side of this actual Jeep, as I stated, it's a 2020 Wrangler Sport S. It does look pretty nice coming from the factory, but what we are going to be doing to it is we're actually going to be upgrading the suspension. We're going to go for like maybe a 2.5 to a 3-inch lift. As far as for the wheels, we may stick with Icons, something similar to what I have. For tires, we're probably going to stick with Toyos. We may put on 35s or something like that. So I'm pretty excited for this. It's going to look really good. For the rear, probably the only thing that will be done is maybe a rear bumper, but that's in the future. I did notice, for some odd reason, steel bumpers on Jeeps are a lot cheaper than Tacomas. Not sure why. You guys can comment down below if you know why, but that's pretty cool. Right here to the back hatch. So to open this up, it's actually fairly easy. There's a little latch here. You go like this, and then once you do that, it actually opens up fairly easy. You're gonna notice. No buttons, literally just a spring-loaded window. You grab it from here, pull it right up, and it's that simple. So that's pretty awesome. So if you guys are like me and you guys want to do some tailgate parties, you still can with this bad boy. As I had stated, it is two-door, so you're gonna notice it is a lot smaller than, of course, if you get a 4-door Wrangler. But that's, I mean, if you have no kids, this is probably the way to go. It does still have some storage here. It's not a big compartment, but I mean, you could still store maybe your tools or just little things here that you don't want in the way. The Jeep actually does come with this bag here. What this bag actually is, which I'll show you guys in a minute, that's really cool about the Jeeps that maybe some of you guys don't know or know, I don't know, but you'll see. This is actually the storage for the T-tops because they do come off in like less than a minute. You'll see. This whole actual back piece as well comes off, which you guys probably have already seen many Jeeps do that. So if you guys did want some more storage back here, or maybe you guys want to nap in here, I don't know what you, or you know, I'll leave it out. I'll leave it out. You pull these up right here, and it brings the, you know, as you saw, you pull these straps up, the headrests go down, and then this little latch here allows you to bring this down. And if you really wanted to, it goes all the way up and it folds that way. So that way you kind of get a bigger platform back here. So if you did ever need the space, or you want to tow, or you want to put stuff back here, of course. I'm gonna leave it up because sometimes we do carry people back here. So just to be safe. And it also comes with the DC outlet right here. So if you guys need that for charging maybe your phone, if someone's sitting back here, or just anything like that. That's pretty cool. I just noticed that. It comes with like an LED. All right, and that's it for the back. And as I stated, basically back here, all we're really gonna probably do is get the 5th tire and rim and maybe a rear bumper, and that's it. So for the window tint, what we're gonna be doing is basically we're gonna be leaving the rears the same, And for the front two doors right here, we're actually going to put them the same amount of percentage as the rears come, just so that way it's not too dark or anything like that. I do want to give a big shout out to Black Market Window Tint. So if you guys are in the Banning or Beaumont area, or even around those areas of that city, I would highly suggest getting your window tint done through him. So shout out to him. And one thing, if you guys do go to him, make sure you let him know JesseRizo sent you. You get a good deal. Let's hop right into this badass Jeep. So let's just go ahead and dive right in, so that way we can start removing the T-tops. That's going to be the best part, you'll see. You're going to notice, of course, as I stated, no rear door. So you might question, how the heck do you get back there? On these Jeeps, what you got to do is right here, there is a latch, and you just kind of pull the seat forward. Once you've pulled the seat forward, you push this way, and then this here like that. So I was honestly clueless on how to open this. That's why I'm showing you guys, just in case you guys are interested in buying a Jeep. So to get back there, then you just go ahead and climb over. Once you're inside right here, I mean, there is room, but as I stated, I think this is more for either kids or not really anybody. But it is a 4-seater. You get your seat belts and everything, all the safety features, and then you get the headrests if you want to put them up or down, doesn't matter. The cool thing that I really like about this Jeep is right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but you actually do get vents for the AC, so your passenger and your other passenger can actually play with these. And it is a 360 swivel, so however you want it, or you can close them up. Looking down here, it also comes with cup holders, and they're like little button things that kind of lock the cup into place. So if you guys are off-roading and you have a cup there, it'll help it secure. So I mean, I'm not that tall or big. I think, I don't know, a lot of people have been calling me fat lately. Anyways, no, I'm just kidding. I'm about 5'5", so just for you guys' reference. And I mean, I do fit kind of comfortably, but it is a little on the tight side. The cool thing that I do like about these Jeeps is if you look up right here, the speakers are actually right here. And I think this one actually comes with a sub, or I don't know, but this sound system stock sounds pretty badass. Yeah. As far as for the interior in here, we're probably going to be not doing much as far as speakers and stuff like that. We may get some grab handles from Bubba's Garage TV. If you guys do want to purchase anything from him, it's going to be in the description box below. He makes grab handles for Jeeps, for Tacomas, and many other vehicles. I also have a 15% off discount code for you guys if you guys buy anything on his website. So go check it out. It's there. Let's go to the front right here. Let me get out. Coming back to the front, you guys saw that, and then the AC system, like I showed you guys in the back, the front also has those 360 swivels, which is pretty awesome. I'm actually going to be getting some grab handles as well for right here, so you guys will see that in a future video. It's also going to be from Bubba's Garage, and we might do something right here with their products as well. As far as for storage, if you guys are curious, the Jeeps actually come with like these netted storage bins, you can call them. Right here, this may be a backdraw for some people, but the glove compartment is actually really tiny. So if you want to get a close-up, I mean, all that really fits is our manual that it comes with, and then our little tool thing that it comes with. So yeah, you can't really fit too much in here, but it's cool that they offer a lock feature, so you can go ahead and lock that up. Looking right here, there actually is 2 storage bins for this. So there's a big one there, and when you close it, there's actually a secondary one right here, and you could also lock this one up. So we're going to focus right here really quick. So the cool thing about Jeeps, unlike my Tacoma, it has like a button for the 4x4. But the cool thing about Jeeps, it still has like that old school lever. So you're going to notice right here, you could go into 4 high or 4 low. So that's a really cool little feature. Of course, right here, you're going to get your little reverse, neutral, drive. And that also has for Triptronic. If you guys don't know what that is, you can kind of control the gears automatically with your hand. So that's a cool feature. It's still an automatic, just letting you guys know. Focusing right here, you get your windows for the left side, driver's side, and the right side, passenger side. That's the 2 windows there. You're going to notice there is a media. So the media, you get your USB, the old school one, and then you get for the new school. I'm not sure exactly which one, what that's called, but I know that's for the new ones. And then you get your aux cord, auxiliary cord connection. And then right here, you're gonna notice it says aux 1, aux 2, aux 3, and 4. Right here is gonna be for your light bars, which that's probably something we'll add in the future as well. Maybe like 1 or 2 light bars, not sure yet. But that's cool that Jeep actually gives this for you stock, so you don't have to run any wires. It's gonna make it a lot easier when we do the installations. It also comes right here for a port if you do wanna go ahead and charge your phone or anything like that. Looking right here, it does come with a pretty cool multimedia system. It comes with AC controls that you can control for the passenger side or the driver's side. So say your wifey likes it warm and you like it cold. It does come with a kind of small screen. It does come with an Apple CarPlay system. And then the reverse camera on this bad boy is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a lot better than my actual Tacoma. Sad to say that, but it's true. Another thing, noting inside of here, the steering ratio on these new Jeeps, I don't know if it's for all of them, but I know for these newer ones, it has a really good turning ratio. My Tacoma does not turn like this. So I'm actually, that's a cool feature, not gonna lie. Not sure how they accomplished that. And it actually, it feels a lot more stable as well when you're coming through a corner, you're trying to turn a little harder. As for me, I like driving like I'm in a race car. All right, so we're almost getting to the cool part, which is removing the T-tops. Super simple. But for right here, I just wanted to show you really quick. You get all your phone features, you get your cruise control and all that. And then actually right here, kind of where my fingers are in the back, this one is going to be for your radio station changing, and then this side is going to be for your volume control. Telescoping steering wheel, so you can adjust it however you want. I like it there. And then right here, of course, you get all your lighting features, or you can leave it on auto like we did, so that way when it turns nighttime, the lights turn on their own. High beams or fog light button would be this right here. You just push it to turn it on or off. Your main speaker here, and then one on the opposite side, and then you get your tweeters, one here and one on the opposite side. All right, so now for the awesome cool feature that Jeeps have, which is removing the T-tops. It's for that hot summer day if you're going down the beach. Let me show you how it's done. Yeah. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and bring down both of your sun visors. Once you do so, you're going to notice you have latches. So you just unlatch these bad boys. There's only 3, 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to notice there is a bigger latch here. You pull this down, and just like that, you can go ahead and remove them. The whole cover comes off easily. These things only weigh, I want to say, about 5 pounds, if that. They're actually really light. It's actually a cool feature. One thing I did want to note that I was kind of struggling to figure out because I didn't know how this works. You want to take off the driver's side first, and then your passenger side. It has the same exact features, which 3 latches and then 1 main one, and then it comes off. And then when you go to put them back on, put on the passenger side first, and then your driver's side, and then you're good to go. So honestly, that's one cool feature that I really like about these Jeeps. Yeah. Now that we kind of overlooked the inside, I didn't go too in depth, just wanted to give you a quick overview. You're gonna notice for the gas tank right here, it's actually exposed, which kind of scares me a little. But talking about gas, on these new Jeeps, the actual gas mileage is a little bit better than the previous years. So that's exciting. Yeah, I mean, if you guys have questions on this actual Jeep, or just like a miles per gallon question or anything, or you guys have suggestions for us on what we should install for it, please make sure to comment down below. And if you guys, as we stated, know somebody that is good with Jeeps, please also comment them down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.